Nilfisk presents SmartKey, a simple and user-friendly system that ensures optimal machine settings for a consistent and perfect cleaning result. SmartKey is a two-key system with separate supervisor and operator key. The yellow key is the supervisor key. The supervisor key allows changing of detailed settings and parameters, as well as adding dedicated blue user keys or giving full access for a technician. The Start display will let you enter parameter settings like maximum speed, solution flows, detergent concentration level, brush pressure, and many more, ensuring the right cleaning settings for your exact cleaning task. The blue key is the operator key. The blue key has no access to detailed settings, but operates with preset functions, making it simple and easy to get a cleaning task done with only a minimum of operator training. Basic adjustment like solution flow, detergent level, and brush pressure is still accessible with the blue operator key, but is predefined by the supervisor key, allowing adaptation to various cleaning situations that might occur, but within the presettings. Just push start and get going. With the right machine settings, you can be certain that the optimal settings are being followed in order to get the best cleaning result from your scrubber dryer, and benefiting your total cost of ownership. SmartKey makes daily operation just that simple. The SmartKey system is available on selected models.